In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Smallpdf Chrome extension. If you work with PDFs, this lightweight tool lets you handle everyday tasks right from your browser without hunting for separate apps. You can merge files, compress large PDFs so they're easier to share, convert between formats like PDF and Word, and make quick edits, all in just a few clicks. First, you'll need to install the extension. Head to the Chrome Web Store and look up Smallpdf. When you find the official Smallpdf extension, click Add to Chrome, then confirm by selecting Add Extension. The install takes a moment, and you'll see the icon appear near the top right of your browser. For quick access later, consider pinning it so it stays visible in your toolbar. That way, it's always one click away. To open the extension, simply click the Smallpdf icon in the toolbar. A compact menu appears, presenting the most popular tools in a clean, straightforward layout. This panel is your command center, and you can return to it any time without leaving your current tab. Next, choose the tool you need. If you have multiple PDFs that belong together, pick Merge. If a file is too large to email or upload, choose Compress to reduce its size while preserving readable quality. If you need a different format, select Convert to switch between PDF and Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or images. And if you want to make quick changes, select Edit PDF to add text, shapes, or simple annotations. Pick the option that best matches your task. Now it's time to upload your file. You can drag and drop a PDF directly into the window, or click to browse your computer and select it. For merging, select all the PDFs you want combined. Larger files may take a bit longer to upload, so give it a moment if you're working with a big document. Once your file is in, process your PDF according to the tool you chose. For merging, arrange files or pages into the right order and confirm to create a single, unified document. For compression, the extension optimizes the file. You'll see the new size so you can balance quality and portability. For conversion, choose your target format and let the extension handle the heavy lifting. For editing, add or adjust text in simple elements, then review your changes. When you're satisfied, save your result using the download option shown on screen. That's it. Quick, clean, and efficient. Open the extension again anytime to run another tool, and you'll keep your PDF workflow fast and organized.